Welcome to 40 Meditative Affirmations in the series Positive Self-Talk for Leaders. Scripts made and spoken by neuroleadership coach Rob Botts. I believe my brain is always ready to rewire itself for my highest good. I will treat every thought as a chance to strengthen new, empowering pathways. I think with calm curiosity whenever challenges appear. I trust that consistent positive focus makes change feel natural and comfortable. I believe old habits will fade when I stop repeating them and choose better ones. I believe emotional clarity supports authentic leadership. I think first about why I act, then decide how I act. I believe emotional clarity supports authentic leadership. I will speak to myself with respect, just as I speak to my team. I trust that small shifts today create lasting strengths tomorrow. I believe every mindful pause builds cognitive flexibility. I will see mistakes as feedback, not evidence of failure. I think in possibilities, not limitations. I believe self-compassion fuels resilience. I will replace self-doubt with confident action. I think strategically while staying grounded in the present. I believe my calm energy guides others toward calm solutions. I will allow optimism to guide my decisions. I think of setbacks as temporary detours on my growth path. I believe consistent practice turns new behaviors into our second nature. I will let curiosity dissolve judgment. I think constructive thoughts that nourish my brain and body. I believe inner balance amplifies outer performance. I will give myself the same patience that I have for other leaders. I think creatively when I give my mind space to breathe. I believe rewriting one belief rewrites many behaviors. I will choose clarity over confusion in every conversation. I think long term, knowing today's neural choices shape tomorrow's results. I believe growth happens gently, one mindful moment at a time. I will cultivate gratitude to keep my perspective expansive. I think solutions, not problems. I believe inner alignment makes my decisions consistent and trustworthy. I will practice self talk that celebrates progress, however small. I think with empathy for myself and others. I believe rewiring my brain is both my responsibility and my privilege. I will greet each day as another opportunity to refine my mindset. I think confidence into existence by repeating empowering truth. I believe my regulated emotions set a healthy tone for my team. I will anchor my leadership in authenticity and compassion. I think of myself as a lifelong learner, always evolving for the better. Enjoy practicing and strengthening your personal and professional success. Thanks for listening.